Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot affiliate links using custom campaign parameters, complete guide step by step clearly. To install HubSpot affiliate links using custom campaign parameters, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Campaigns to access your campaign dashboard. Choose the campaign you want to add your affiliate links to, or create a new campaign. Once inside the campaign, look for the Links option on the left sidebar. Click on it to start adding your affiliate links. Next, find the button labeled Add Link and click on it. In the link creation window, input the URL of the affiliate page you want to promote. After entering the URL, locate the Campaign Parameters section. This is where you will set up your custom parameters for tracking. Define a parameter for tracking the affiliate source, such as source equals affiliate name. You may also want to add parameters for medium and campaign, for example, medium equals affiliate and campaign equals your. Combine these parameters in the URL, ensuring they are separated by an ampersand. Make sure the full URL reflects the parameters correctly before saving. After reviewing, click Save to add the link to your campaign. You will now see this link displayed in your campaign links list. Next, copy the newly created link to share it with your affiliates. Communicate the link to your affiliates, ensuring they understand its usage for tracking purposes. To verify the link's performance, go back to the campaign dashboard. Check the analytics to monitor clicks and engagement on your affiliate link. Regularly review performance data to optimize your affiliate strategy. That concludes the process for installing HubSpot affiliate links using custom campaign parameters. Follow these steps to effectively track and manage your affiliate campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.